students, I am back with another topic for you. But wait, before starting the topic, will you sing a poem with me? Did you say yes? Okay. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse went up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse went down. Hickory dickory dock. Did you notice this object in the poem? What is this? It's a clock. Okay. Before starting the video on time telling, let us first discuss few things about clock. Now you tell me that how many numbers are there on the face of the clock? Yes, they are 1 till 12. Now, tell me, how many hands are there? Oh, did you know that these little pointers are called hands of the clock? So how many hands? Right, 2 hands. Now, did you notice any difference of lengths in both hands? Obviously, you did notice. The larger hand shows us minutes, so it is called minute hand. Ultimately, the shorter hand is called hour hand. As we sang the poem where clock struck 1. So we are taking our first example from the poem of 1 o'clock. Here is the clock showing 1 o'clock. What are you observing in this? Where is the hour hand pointing? It is pointing to 1 because it is 1 o'clock. And minute hand is pointing at 12. Now, if you slightly move the hour hand clockwise, it becomes 2 o'clock because hour hand is now pointing at 2. But did you notice the minute hand while hour hand was moved towards 2? Yes, the minute hand is still at 12. Whatever the clock strikes, 1, 2, 3 and so on, the minute hand always points at 12. Now just see these pictures. What do you see? At what time Ali is getting up? Yes, it's 7 o'clock. And by the way, at what time do you get up? Do notice your time. Okay? Next one. At what time Ayesha is doing her lunch? Good. At 2 o'clock. You guys did great job. We have discussed a lot about shorthand, which is hour hand. Now it's time to focus minute hand, which is the larger hand. But before starting it, let me tell you that how many minutes does each number shows. Let's start with 12. It always stands for o'clock. Then we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and 55. That means if hand points to 1, it shows 5 minutes. 2 shows 10 minutes and 3 shows 15 minutes and so on. Now how will you tell the time? There are 2 steps. First, you have to notice where shorthand is pointing. Here it is pointing to 4. And now you have to notice where long hand is pointing. According to the given example, larger hand is pointing towards 1. That means it's 4:05. First observe shorthand and secondly minute hand. So another example, see the shorthand, it is at 6. And where the minute hand is pointing? It is pointing to 3. Now recall that how many minutes did we write besides 3? Yes, 15. According to this case, time is 6:15 and you will write it as 6:15. Wait, now another time has come. Time to say you goodbye. This is all for you today. See you soon again. Thanks. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel and do share and like our video.